Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Indian chicken curry. First, gather your essential spices like turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala. Prepare your chicken by cutting it into uniform 1½ inch pieces. Next, chop 1 large onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, and mince 3 cloves of garlic along with a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot over medium heat. Sauté the chopped onions until they turn a beautiful golden brown, which typically takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Then, add the minced ginger and garlic, cooking for just 1 minute until they become wonderfully fragrant. Finally, stir in your powdered spices and cook for 30 seconds to release their full aromas. It's time to add the star of our dish. Introduce the chicken pieces to the pan and sear them for 5 to 7 minutes until they are lightly browned on all sides. Next, incorporate the chopped tomatoes, cooking them down until they soften and release their delicious juices, creating a rich base. Pour in 1 cup of water or chicken broth, bring it to a gentle simmer, and then cover the pot. Allow your curry to simmer gently for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the chicken is perfectly tender and cooked through. The flavors will have melded beautifully by now. Just before serving, stir in 1/4 cup of fresh chopped cilantro for a burst of freshness. Your homemade Indian chicken curry is ready. Serve it hot with fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.